In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly sync Slack with Google Calendar. Connecting Google Calendar to Slack is a simple way to make your workday feel much more organized. Once the two are linked, you can receive a daily schedule summary right inside Slack, get reminders shortly before meetings begin, and jump into video calls with fewer clicks. One especially helpful feature is status syncing, which automatically updates your Slack status when your calendar shows that you're busy in a meeting. That makes it easier for your teammates to understand when you're unavailable. To get started, open Slack on your desktop or sign in through your web browser. In the left sidebar, scroll down until you find Apps. If you don't see it right away, open More and then select Apps from there. In the app search bar, type Google Calendar and look for the official app. Once you find it, click Add. This will take you to the Slack app marketplace in your browser. On that page, click the green Add to Slack button to begin the connection process. Next, you'll be redirected to a secure Google sign-in page. Choose the Google account connected to the calendar you want to use with Slack. After that, review the permissions being requested. Slack needs access to your calendar information in order to send reminders, show your schedule, and sync your meeting status. If everything looks good, approve the requested access and continue. When the setup is successful, you'll see a confirmation message in your browser. Click Open Slack to return to your workspace. Once you're back in Slack, go to the Apps section in the sidebar and open Google Calendar. This opens the app's private home area. In the main message feed, you should see a welcome card with an option to enable status syncing. Click Turn On next to that prompt. If you don't see it there, you can also open the Home tab at the top of the Google Calendar app and select Turn On Status Syncing. This helps keep your availability accurate automatically whenever you're in a scheduled meeting. After that, customize your notifications and digest settings. Inside the Google Calendar app in Slack, click Settings or go to the Home tab if needed. Find Daily Digest and turn it on, then choose the time you want your daily agenda delivered each morning. Next, check the notification settings and make sure reminders are enabled. Slack will then send you a notification 1 minute before each meeting, often including a direct link so you can join your call quickly. As a final note, private events in Google Calendar will appear more generally in Slack, helping protect sensitive meeting details. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next